Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a mukbang, my first mukbang. So today I'm going to be eating a piece of roast and 3 chicken nuggets, which I do not know what my mom cooked it, so I have to eat. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get started.
70% of us see rain Sunday night, and 40% of us see rain on Monday, and then the dry Tuesday through the end of next week. The 80s, there you go. The 80s are in South Beach. That's where the 80s are. That's where they go. Not South enough. Almost, that's right.
I have some rich.
And I know Pete's a baseball guy, but to me, the NBA is the most fun league in sports. And the trade deadline is the most exciting day of the year. 3-time All-Star Marc Gasol is now a Raptor. 6-time All-Star Anthony Davis, still a Pelican for now.
Hi guys, so
That's my brother here.
hi guys, so I'm going to be doing mukbang. I got piece of rolls and 3 chicken nuggets. Well, sometimes I do, but we're going to get started, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway with all of this Monopoly money.
Was aware that he could be traded that evening. He wanted to play anyway.
So yeah, so I got this Monopoly money.
He learned about it.
The old version of the Monopoly money.
Instead of going to the locker room, he stayed on the bench with his soon-to-be former teammates.
See, this
After the
is
game, he thanked
10,000,
fans on
10,000,
social media
and 10,000
for their support
plus.
over the last 2.5
See,
years.
look,
Today,
okay, 10,000,
I asked Donnie Nelson what it says about
10,000,
Harrison Barnes to handle the trade the way he did.
10,000.
He is the ultimate professional.
This is fake Monopoly money. Well, it's real Monopoly money, but the money is fake. It's in hundreds.
We've all heard so lot. Guys got to do it. He is good guy.
In return for Barnes, the match.
Okay, so we're going to get straight into the mukbang. If you hear something, that's probably the TV that you're ever watching a cast show. A cast show.
Which is a fancy way of saying they have money to trade for another superstar. Now, this was the Mavericks' plan. They just didn't expect it to happen this quick. Mavs rookie Luka Doncic recorded another triple-double last night. There have been 4 triple-doubles by teenagers in NBA history. The 19-year-old has 3 of them. And Nelson points to Luka for accelerating this whole Mavs rebuilding.
Thank God.
If Luka would have, I think, taken a more traditional trajectory, gone through your typical, rookie season, you may not have seen some of these moves. That was definitely a factor.
Spring training is a couple weeks away, and some big-name free agents are still unsigned, but that's a rant for another time. Rangers added a couple players today, third baseman Matt Davidson and outfielder Hunter Pence. Meanwhile, Bob Stoops coached at Oklahoma for 18 years before stepping down a couple of years ago. He was in the broadcast booth this fall, and you could hear it in his words.
I need to get comfortable in the mukbang.
The dude missed coaching. A few months later, he's back on the sidelines, just not at Oklahoma.
Schneider, get these 2.
Today, Stoops was introduced as the GM and head coach.
Well, you can just get those.
XFL team. I didn't want to coach.
Get these 2. Now, can you get off right for real? Get these 2.
So, both of it together fit.
And put them back when you're done. I got these because I can use
Like I
these.
said, when I stepped out 2 years ago, I wanted more time. I'll be darned.
Oh, this is a talking mukbang too. It's like you hear a lot of talking, but most people they just like sit there and don't talk at all. This is a talking mukbang. So.
These fish rolls is off the chain.
You might hear a lot of smacking because that's part of the video too, to make it more
Mukbang.
Yeah.
Well,
Just touch the button and ease into the perfect comfort position. For reading,
ideal anchor to experience a healthier, more refreshing night's sleep. So, make the switch.
Mine's not hot.
to Memory adjustable base for free during the Rooms to Go President's Day mattress sale. Get ready for the water. The Dallas Boat Expo is your chance to get all new 2019 watercraft models on display. Come get it.
Which one people
on all boat accessories, marinas, and properties. Compare vendors to receive on-the-spot financing all in one place. You can't get a better deal anywhere else. February 1st through the 3rd, and then February 7th through the 10th. That's 2 weekends to get you into the watercraft with your dreams while staying free. And Thursday and Friday. For more information, go to DallasBoatExpo.com.
Now I'm gonna use the bowl right
for
here.
22. That's two meat plates, each with 2 sides, and a buttery roll for only 22 bucks. So whether you're dining at our place or having it delivered to yours, double up with Dickies 2 for 22. For a limited time only, so come in and see us. Visit Dickies.com or use our app. Legit Texas barbecue.
The rules of these states, things that come.
Comment down below if you guys love pizza rolls.
Oh yeah, comment down below if you guys love pizza rolls. I just copied my sister because I forgot to say that. She's like, I wanted a GMC when I get older. I said, I'm probably going to give me a GMC when I get older.
Soto makes the Bellagio Hotel mattress for $2,200. Flying the Dove makes it $499. In any size, twin to king. With 3,000 mattresses in only 3 days, $3,400 drops to $699.
Better give me some drink.
All adjustables free, delivery free, and 16 months free. All heirlooms king size, queen price. Online $1,200. Any size, $199. 3 days, 3,000 mattresses, 80% off at the Dove.
I'm also drinking water because me and my brother like to stay healthy.
Why you didn't give me no water? Can you give me some water, please?
Where that water at?
I drink it all.
Really, Mama said we can't get no more water. You gotta get a cup and pour you some water in there.
WFAA News is sponsored by Lady and Son Service Experts, serving the heating, cooling,
Cause them cold waters.
February of 2020. Lady and Son Expert Service guaranteed. The pain level was over 10, and my doctor recommended that I go to 2 feet, and I tried the support there. It's the first time I had no pain.
If you cheat, I can watch my video too. I mean, if you eat my food, I can watch my video.
Celebrating your savings in a whole new kitchen during Nebraska Furniture Mart's President's Holiday Sale. Explore each
Guys, comment down below if you cheated.
kitchens, including
Because I think she did.
and 35% off
And
suggested
Tilly.
retail. This stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, range, and microwave package is just $24.93 after $100 mail-in rebate. Plus qualifying appliance delivery and basic setup is free. And use special 2021 financing. Start your new kitchen with a President's Holiday Frigidaire special from Nebraska Furniture Mart.
The reason my eyes keep on looking up is because I watch the TV. The TV's right above y'all.
Are hours of rehearsal, especially in medicine. It's why at Methodist Health System, we're always refining, innovating care, determined to improve and save lives, so that our components and yours are worthy of innovation. Trust Methodist.
Here's your Buick, sir. Actually, that's my Buick.
How are we going to fit your mom's Buick?
Easy.
I like that new Buick.
Me too.
I was actually talking about that Buick.
I knew that.
Did you?
Buick's fresh new lineup is full of surprises. Now paying no interest for 72 months on most 2019
Buick in
Plus get just over
Corona.
1,000 down payment assistance when you
Oh, what's her name had a Buick? Kayla, you remember?
$250 purchase allowance.
And she had that car, it was red. It's a Buick. I did not know it called that.
Why are you talking so loud?
They didn't be talking to some people be doing lame music. I mean, lame mukbangs. They don't be talking at all. Barely they be talking.
Well, I'm almost finished.
You can smack it all.
I am Dimitri.
Welcome chicken nuggets.
Daybreak. What about you?
Huh? You just said you ain't like them, though.
Oh, that water's so good.
Tonight,
Y'all should know how good that water is.
brutally honest. Justin shocking revelation.
I believe they do because I believe they take the water before.
Trust is new bride.
Then, revved up and ready for the Top Gun sequel. Soon down the street, Tom Cruise's co-star dishes on her wild motorcycle ride with Maverick as we go inside the My Best Friend's Wedding reunion. When was the last time I saw you?
15 years ago.
I thought you guys were best friends.
And a star is showing up, a 15-time Grammy winner.
I was like, wait a minute, he's better than me.
Host Alicia Keys on her duet with James Corden and our epic Throwback Thursday backstage with the stars' first Grammy wins.
I think I just cried. Complete and utter shock. Just shock.
This is entertainment.
I ain't comfortable enough.
Justin Bieber reveals he's having a hard time trusting his new bride, Haley, and that's just the start.
Amazing, right? But I mean, listen, Kelsey, it's almost an understatement to say that Justin is getting brutally honest.
If y'all watching this, like the video,
We've seen him and he
comment.
clearly, and now
in the first one, I better know that person because that person is right next to me. If they watching it.
The 24-year-old singer tells Vogue he abused the anti-anxiety drug Xanax, which resulted in depression. It was back in 2014, around the time Justin was arrested for an alleged DUI in Florida.
Justin Bieber.
Justin says, quote, I found myself doing things that I was so ashamed of, being super promiscuous and stuff. And I think I used Xanax because I was so ashamed. It got pretty dark. He added, I think there were times when my security was coming in late at night to check my pulse and see if I was still breathing. Justin says he hit rock bottom and turned to his faith and his pastor, Carl Lentz, for help. He encouraged Justin to stay with him for an informal detox.
It's an emotional time in my life for sure. I've been having a lot of cries.
This hoe because
Justin says that since then
What?
he's not done any drugs, although he says he drinks socially.
And they
He
old.
remains tight with his pastor. This was
The picture that they showed is old, but
the road, and
just
he's
not
relying
old.
on him for support on Monday. Meanwhile, the newlyweds look super hip and glam for Vogue's cover story out February 19th, but they're pretty blunt about the harsh realities of their marriage.
Justin Bieber's girlfriend our wife is pretty.
Justin says he has major trust issues and quote, it's been difficult for me even to trust Haley. And
I think that's
22-year-old
his
Haley,
wife.
the thing is,
his wife,
marriage is very hard. Justin also goes into detail about his sex life. He tells Vogue he had, quote, a legitimate problem with sex. And he reveals he had been celibate for more than a year when he
Wait a minute, you
his
guys.
romance with Haley in June.
Now, I want you to check this out. Jennifer
I
Connelly
was
is
number 12,
dropping details
maybe.
for the first time.
What?
I was known for 1309.
That was a fast motorcycle.
See? Start recording.
Street and then pull up in front of the house. And
A
like,
minute.
not once, it's like
A minute before you.
half of an inch. Every time
A
I
minute or
It's
two.
like 5 seconds.
I see you need speed.
The script is one of the most closely
How are you guys all finished?
Here's what he knows.
So,
Connolly plays
hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you share, like, comment, and subscribe. I almost forgot how to do that. But anyway, bye. And me and my brother, we might do our night routine together. Right there. Because we've been thinking about doing that. And we keep on forgetting. So we just, yeah. So, bye. Love you guys.